And good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we take a look at our futurecast out there. We are looking at more clouds this morning than expected, and a lot of the forecast models are struggling to pick up on that cloud cover. We've seen a lot of clouds roll in for the southern half of Nebraska and northern Kansas this morning, high-level clouds. Now, I was expecting thickening clouds today. I thought it would take a little more time, but a lot of those clouds have already rolled into much of the area. We still will see thickening clouds, though it will become partly to mostly cloudy later today. I think the farther north you go, the more sun you're going to see out there. And temperature-wise, fairly mild, but these clouds could have an influence on our temperatures for today. As we head into tonight, then, it'll be pretty quiet, although with snow melting out there, we get a lot of low-level moisture, and what can sometimes happen is you can get fog developing. With light winds overnight tonight, fog is going to be a possibility out there late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Cold front will start to make its way into northern Nebraska tomorrow morning. May see some light rain or snow up there. Meanwhile, it'll take a little while farther south, but eventually that front will make its way southward here, and we'll see an end to the nice conditions as temperatures start to drop later in the day. Very limited moisture with this front. Again, as I said, your best chances up north, and even then it won't amount to a whole lot out there. Around the Tri-Cities, I didn't even put in a chance of precipitation. I took it out of my forecast here. But much colder air is going to work its way in for the end of the week there, Thursday night into Friday. Well, also of note is the wind. Winds are going to become fairly breezy late in the afternoon Thursday, and could be even at times a little on the windy side Thursday night, especially Thursday evening just prior to midnight. That could be where some of our strongest winds will be in that 20 to 30 mile per hour range. They should start to calm back a little bit as we move into the daytime hours of your Friday. A chillier Friday, but a sunny Friday on the way. Well, let's take a look at today's forecast, and again, keep in mind these temperatures really hinge on how much sun we see today. I think we'll see quite a bit of sun up north, lower 50s for the most part. A little breezy as well in northern Nebraska, and I think that breeze may actually help to warm things up. Out west, low to mid 50s. Again, maybe could be a touch cooler if those clouds end up being a little thicker than expected. Same thing in the Tri-Cities. We may only see upper 40s if those clouds end up being pretty thick out there. Otherwise, lower 50s. A little warmer in northern Kansas with upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Off towards the east, maybe a little more sun. Upper 40s, low to mid 50s for daytime high temperatures. Next 7 days, still kind of on a roller coaster ride again. Tomorrow's still not bad temperature-wise, as we'll still see lower 40s. You could even be near 50 or so in northern Kansas, but 30s up north with dropping temperatures later in the day, and we'll also see breezy north winds kick in behind that front. Could be fairly blustery or straight up windy for a time Thursday evening. Colder air arrives, and it comes in for Friday or Thursday night, late night into Friday during the day. We start off around 11. A high around 31 degrees, but lots of sunshine for your Friday. Now, we do warm up a little bit Saturday, but there is going to be a weak cool front that comes through that keeps us from getting really warm, so I'm going to go with mid-40s, and winds could be fairly strong behind that front, so it'll just feel a little colder because of those strong winds out there. The best day of the weekend looks like it may come in on Sunday as we push into the 50s. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some 60s down towards the south, and this is all ahead of another cold front that comes through Sunday night. That one will bring more of an Arctic air mass to the area for Monday and Tuesday. Also, a small chance of very light snow, should be fairly insignificant for late Sunday night and Monday morning. So looks like we will be getting colder for at least the first part, if not the first 2/3 or so of next week, where you may try to warm it up towards the very end of next week. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a happy Valentine's Day, and God bless.